Hi guys, I'm back. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna show you my new hairstyle, and I did this kind of braid that I'm gonna show you. And I swear I'm in love with this kind of braid. I just thought that it's super easy to do and it's also amazing, so why not do it, And just tell me in the comments below if you want a tutorial of this one, and I will upload it. So yeah, I'm just in love. And there's another way you can style this hairstyle, and it's what I'm gonna show you now. Well, what you'll need are just two mini elastic, and you're just to divide your hair into main selection like that, and then keep your hair, leave of course a little selection in the front, and just doing this. Alright, so super easy, right? And I'm going to do of course the same things with another mini elastic on the other side. So of course I'm going to leave a few selection here, and then I'm gonna doing this. Sorry, I missed some hair. Alright. And that's the final result of this other one. Well, I just think it's so cute. They're both adorable, so you should try that. And like I said, tell me in the comments below if you want that tutorial of this kind of braid, because I will do that, guys. It's super easy, I'll promise. And yeah, I don't have anything to say, just thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And of course, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. There's a red button down here, so just click on it, because you will receive the notify every time I post a video. And I swear guys, I will post video more frequently right now, so just subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.